Hi! It's been a while, I know. I haven't been able to make any videos for a while with my toddler, and he's just very demanding and he needs me all the time and he's so cute and needy. But along the way, I found these. These are the Frida Mom Instant Ice Maxi Pads. So yeah, they're super cool. So I just wanted to make a video about it, and I wanted to actually cut one up and see what's inside it. Now that I know what it is and what it does and how cool it is, they come like this. They're really, really big and thick. So I have my plastic container here. We can cut it up together and have a look. I've been really, really eager to just see what it's like inside. So these things are pretty expensive. I'm in Canada, so they're $40 for a pack like this, and it only comes with 8. I saw in the US on Amazon, it costs about $20. So it's a lot cheaper in the US, but it works and it's really good. So I still bought them. And so we'll open it up. There's a little tab here to rip it open. So it gives you instant cold therapy for 30 minutes, it says. However, I find that your body doesn't totally warm up the liquid in here right in 30 minutes. So I find it lasts about maybe up to an hour or so. It's still good. It has this tab here where you take it off to stick it to your panty liner or your underwear. And then comes like this. See how thick it is? But if you shake it, you can hear it, and if you feel it, you can feel there's little pellets in here. So it's all full of little pellets. But what they want you to do is snap it in half, and when you snap it, you hear this little crack, and then it becomes instantly cool. So I guess it's snapping the liquid in a capsule, I'm guessing. So that's why I wanted to cut it open to see what is in there exactly. And once you cut it open, the capsule breaks, it all becomes cold, and all these little pellets actually become liquid. So it's, I don't know, it's just really cool to me. And it fits well. I mean, when it becomes liquid, it kind of like shifts a little bit, I suppose. So you have to sit in certain positions to help it to work well. But it's great for postpartum care, great for surgery down there, great for anything down there related. Okay, so ready? Let's cut it open and see how this works. I'm gonna try not to cut the capsule because there's a capsule where you bend it right in the middle. I suppose then I should maybe cut it here. Or maybe I'll do this. I'll try to like open it up first so that we can see the pellets. Let's see what's in here. Ah! It just feels so cool on. Just have to say. Okay. Oh, look at that. So it's a bunch of, I guess, cotton and absorbent material as the bottom layer, and the top. Okay, so this is really strong and heavy duty, this top layer. So it actually, you don't feel anything wet when this is, I guess, activated. Oh, this is so interesting. Oh, so it's like a package in here. Oh, you see some of the little pellets fall out? I guess I punctured a little hole. Okay, so it's cotton, and then there's little pellets in here. Let's see what the pellets look like. Ah, I had a feeling it was gonna be white, so that's why I brought a black plastic container out, just for you to be able to see it. Oh, so it looks like this. So the capsule is actually just a bag. That is so cool. Shall we break this open? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, interesting. Maybe we could break this open. I'm kind of scared to touch it. I don't know. It should be okay, but I don't know. Let me cut it and we'll pour it into the pellets. And let's see what happens. Okay. So like I said, when I was feeling it inside, it turns all liquid. But I don't know if this is going to turn all liquid here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it takes that half an hour for it to turn all liquidy. So I guess that liquid kind of activates / dissolves all these hard white pellets. I can feel the cooling already. It permeates. Yep, it's cool. Okay, so I guess along with your body temperature when you're wearing it, the coolness is only when it's like this, and then it all just, I guess, runs its course in time. All right, that's what it looks like. So I guess if you have any questions or if you want to make a comment down below, please do, and we can always chat about fun mom stuff. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to have time to be able to make more videos soon. Yay! I'm glad we did this together. See you next time.